Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is the INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open settings, then we have to scroll down and find this Google option. Here we have to just open settings for Google Apps, search Assistant and voice, and here we have to choose Google Assistant. Now we have to find general option, that is right here, and all we have to do is just click this button and then turn off. And that's how you can disable Google Assistant. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!